Translation Memory Exchange. It allows translators to share databases of translated sentences. It is XML based. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open the memory. To quickly determine if the TMX file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. The TMX file extension designates a translation memory exchange file. This is a standard XML format for exchanging translation memory, TM data, between computer-aided translation, SAT tools, and translation vendors. It allows for seamless sharing and reuse of previously translated content, improving efficiency and consistency in translation workflows. TMX files adhere to a specific XML schema that defines the structure and elements for storing translation units. Each translation unit typically contains the source text and its corresponding translation in one or more target languages. The schema also supports metadata, such as creation date, author, and domain, enabling better management and organization of translation assets. The fundamental software link for TMX files is built around Heartsome TMX Editor by Heartsome Technologies Ltd. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows lacks full understanding of custom data formats, so proper reading requires dedicated tools. Your initial diagnostic check. Right-click the TMX file and choose Open With. Start with Heartsome TMX Editor if installed. If it's missing, select another program. The right compatibility hook exists somewhere. If the TMX file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the TMX problem. First, use CAT tool. Open the file using a computer-assisted translation CAT tool, e.g. Heartsome TMX Editor, Trados. Next, check XML. Open the TMX file in a text editor to check the XML structure for corruption. Finally, convert to TTX. Use the CAT tool's export function to save the file as a universal format like .ttx. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.